friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I'm going to quickly tell you how can you send SMS reminders or email reminders to customers about their dues. Okay, so let's get started. If you go to status report, due list, okay, and refresh. So you know that in the due list, you can find the due list for one particular day. If you want to find for a date range, you can find that is you can know your future dues or your past dues, or there are different the different date filters can be added to get your due list. Now say here are two people and I want to send them reminders. Now there are various ways you can send. You can, if say you want to send a due reminder for certain particular people, so you can select them using this checkbox and then say you want to add a penalty of 10 to them here. Okay, and then refresh. Sorry, status report due list. Okay, so I've added a penalty of 10 and then say I want to send the auto reminder to both the customers. So I'll do check all, okay, and just click on SMS due reminder, okay, and you will, the SMS is sent. Now say if SMS is configured, SMS will be sent. See, it will show you to a total of how many people it's sent. So if you click on SMS due reminder, it will send SMS. Say email is configured, then email will be sent basically to your customers. Okay, so this is how SMS due reminder is added, or you can say a due reminder for customer is added. If you want to send it to particular customers, then you can use this checkbox to select the people you want to send the due reminder to and then just click on SMS due reminder. So based on the configuration that is set, that is if SMS is set or if email is set appropriately, an SMS or an email will go to your customer. So friends, this is how due reminders is sent to customers in Jainam Software. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.